In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix arrow keys are not working on Windows 11 keyboard. So let's get started. Right click at the start button, select device manager. Once you have opened the device manager window, locate keyboards, expand the list. Locate your keyboard driver and then you have to make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this. And then you can also update it the second way around. Right click on your keyboard driver, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here, if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, you can try to choose that one by one, okay? And then select next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. After doing so, you have to restart your Windows by clicking on the Yes button. In case it doesn't appear from here, you just need to make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, okay? And that will fix the issue for you. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can produce more videos and tutorials for you. Next method is you have to click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Click on System on the left pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you need to look for the keyboard. So in my case, I don't have that. But once you find the keyboard with the Run button corresponding to it, run the keyboard troubleshooter. And now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that will also give you suggestions and recommendations and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So run the keyboard troubleshooter. Next method is you can also use the on-screen keyboard of your Windows. Just go ahead in the Windows search bar and type OS key. OS key means on-screen keyboard. Click on that and you can use its arrow keys. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.